How to switch to a private profile on Threads. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Threads and want to make your profile private, then switching to a private profile is super easy and it lets you control who can follow you and see your posts. First, open up the Threads app and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home page. Once you're inside your profile page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open settings where you'll need to click on privacy. Inside privacy, tap on profile privacy and then tap on the toggle switch. Once you do that, your profile will be switched to private. Now you'll need to approve new follow requests before those users can see your posts. So that's how you successfully switch your Threads profile to private. This is a great way to have more control over who can view your content and interact with your account. You can always switch back to public profile at any time by toggling off the switch. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.